Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
Tell me one thing. Do you face this type of issue? Like you really want to speak in English fluently, but you don't feel confident in English. You feel hesitation. Why it is happening with you? So the biggest reason behind this problem is lack of practice. Yes, you heard right. You have a lots of ideas in your mind, but you are not capable to express those ideas in English because lack of practice. More a person speaks in English, so better he become fluent in English. But this is the problem, like lack of practice. There are so many person, they have a desire for speaking English, but they have no one with whom they can practice in English. So because of this lack of practice, they are not fluent in English. Okay, so don't worry friends, I have a solution. In this video I'm going to share with you wonderful application. With the help of this application you can easily improve your English speaking skill. You can find your English speaking partner, you can find your English speaking tutor, which will improve your English speaking skill, which will help you how to create some sentence in English, how to do conversation in English without any judgment. Believe me, you are feeling like, ma'am, okay, I don't feel confident in English. I feel like, what if I will speak in English so people will laugh at my English? Don't worry friends, this is the application depend only AI, and this AI feature will not judge you. Okay, it will only correct your English, it will only improve your English. So without any hesitation you can easily do practice with this application. So the application which I'm going to share with you in this video name is Gemini. I have already made a video on this particular application before, but again I'm going to show you how to use this application. Okay, so for this what you need to do, you need to just go to the Play Store and write Google Gemini. You can also write only Gemini, it will open. Okay, and download this application from your Play Store. Actually I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. So I'm just going to open this application in front of you, Google Gemini. Okay, and yes, let me tell you, this is a free, this is free and cost application. And yes, you don't need to go anywhere, you don't need to give any single penny for this application. This is free and cost application. When you open this application you will find this type of face, and yes, ask it, and yes, in the bottom of here you can see there is a microphone and there is live. When you touch this live, okay, and yes, when you touch this live, yes, yes, it is live. Now I'm going to ask some conversation. Hey there, how are you?
Sounds great. What's on your mind today?
Okay, I want to improve my English speaking skill, can you help me?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. I'm excited to help you improve your English speaking skills. What kind of help are you looking for?
Actually, my English is not good. I just want to improve my English, and I have not any partner with whom I can practice in English. So, can you become my English speaking partner?
Sure, I can be your English speaking partner. I'm here to help you practice and improve.
Now, I'm going to give you your name, like Gemini. Is it okay?
You can call me Gemini. It's nice to meet you. What would you like to practice today?
Okay, I would like to practice some normal conversation. Suppose that I'm going somewhere and I met any person. So how to ask some question? Please give me 3 or 4 question, and also help me how to give my answer.
Great idea. Let's start with some basic questions you might ask someone you've just met. First, you could ask, "Hi there, how's it going?" It's a friendly and casual way to start a conversation. Another one is, "What brings you here?" This is a good way to find out why they are in the same place as you. Finally, you could ask, "Have you been here before?" It's a simple question that could lead to a longer conversation. Now let's practice your answers.
Now I'm going to ask you, hi there, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing good, and thank you for asking. And where are you from?
I'm from all over. I I don't have one specific place I call home. How about you?
I am from Uttar Pradesh, from India. So, okay, that's it. Okay, what is your qualification?
I'm a large language model trained by Google. I don't have personal experiences or qualifications like humans do, but I'm always learning new things.
So, do you know about Sanskrit language?
Yes, I do. Sanskrit is an ancient Indo Aryan language that's considered one of the oldest languages in the world. It's the primary liturgical language of Hinduism and some Buddhist traditions. Do you have any specific questions about Sanskrit?
Oh, okay. Can you, translate my sentence मैं जाता हूँ in Sanskrit?
The Sanskrit translation of मैं जाता हूँ is aham gachami.
Wow, that's great. Can you ask some question in English?
Of course. What do you like to do in your free time?
Okay. I would like to, spend my free time with reading books, watching movie. So yes, I would like those two things that I, mentioned here.
That's great. What kind of books and movies do you like?
Okay. I generally, read normal book like, motivational book, and I watch movie, thriller and suspense based movie.
Ah, you like a bit of excitement.
Yeah.
Thrillers and suspense movies can definitely keep you on the edge of your seat. Do you have any favorites you'd recommend?
I have so many movie like Gupta and in ancient movie Jani Dushman. So yeah, when I was child, so I watched the first movie Jani Dushman, and I was surprised when I watched that movie.
Those sound like fun. It's always interesting to revisit movies from our childhood and see how they hold up. Do you like any modern thrillers?
Modern thrillers. Oh, okay. Actually, I have not seen currently any movie, for the past 3 or 4 years, because nowadays series section are more, emerging day by day.
Ah, so you've been watching series.
Yeah, I have been watching
हाँ,
series.
आजकल वेब सीरीज का चलन। मुझे बताइए, कौन सी वेब सीरीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा पसंद आई?
Oh, Gemini, can you ask me in English?
Sure. What kind of series are you into?
Okay. I like Panchayat series.
Panchayat is a great show. What do you like about it?
Simplicity, very simple life, and there is a gossip in a very little things. So I like this movie without any showcase. It's very simple.
I see. So you appreciate the realistic portrayal of village life and the focus on simple joys and everyday moments.
Yeah.
It's interesting how the show finds humor and drama in those small details.
Okay. So Gemini, can you suggest how can I improve my English speaking skill?
Of course. Here are a few tips. First, try to immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Watch English movies or TV shows, listen to English songs or podcasts, and try to read English books or articles. Second, practice speaking as often as you can. It's okay to make mistakes, that's part of learning. You can practice with a friend, a language partner, or even by yourself. Finally, don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're unsure about something, ask a teacher, a tutor, or a native speaker. Does that help?
Okay, Gemini, will you help me all the time?
Of course. I'm always here to help you improve your English.
Then I will definitely improve my English. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm confident that with practice you'll make great progress.
Okay, that's enough today because I have some work to do, and it's Sunday, and only Sunday, I have so many work because I am a teacher, so I have to go every day school. So that's why I'm leaving this conversation. Bye bye. Have a nice conversation. Goodbye.
It was lovely chatting with you. Have a wonderful Sunday and a great week ahead. Goodbye.
Okay, and after that you can cut your conversation. And yes, in this way you can easily improve your English speaking skill with the help of this AI, Google Gemini. And believe me, this is free and cost application. You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to purchase any English speaking course, any app. This is only one application which will improve your English speaking skill. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Ram.